Hello, I am Vanessa, your check-in agent today. How can I assist you with your flight check-in? Thank you for providing your details. Let me check your reservation and see if we can find you a great chair for your flight. Are you traveling alone or do you have any companions with you today? That's great to hear. Let me pull up your first class reservation. Are we all set for any special service or request during your flight? We offer a variety of special service, such as personalized meal option, priority boarding, and access to our lounge before departure. Would you like me to add any special meal preferences to your reservation? Okay, enjoy your flight.